Merry Christmas, everyone. Silent night, holy night. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Hello and welcome to Vlogmas Day 17!
Oh, it was snowing and rain was falling last night, so it froze. So I'm pretty sure that's all ice right there. But Bella wants to go out. So we put her in her sweater and let's see what happens. Oh man! You're next. She's crazy. Oh my gosh, she slipped over there!
Even her trail is slippery.
There goes Luna. We have to tie her up because if not, she will jump the fence.
This is really great. Oh man.
It's freaking cold.
It's really cool.
And there they go, playing.
Alright, bye.
We are on the way to the shopping center to finish up some Christmas shopping. So we're here at Target. Just want to show you how slippery it is. And I'm in tennis shoes. It's like slides. Yeah, why are you away from me? Let's all go together. Actually, it's better over here. I'm good.
Because I put the ice in here.
So we're here at Target, and it's pretty crazy. Everyone's out doing shopping. But we got some stuff. Yes, we got a pretty full cart. I'll show you a little bit. Quick little glance. Yes. I'm hungry.
Because it's Christmas presents.
You hungry? We are leaving Target. And we're going to Kohl's. It's very cold. It's still snowing. But it's like little snow, baby snow. Still snowing. We're now at Kohl's. She's been entranced with playing this game on her phone.
It's man. If you don't have the update, go get it. You can play Manhole.
No, he's not gonna wear that. We're still getting more Christmas gifts. She's just too into her game. We're here in the toy section and we're having some fun.
Hang on. I can choose a different one.
I kind of want this for myself.
We were in Kohl's for a while and now we come out to this. It is coming down. Fresh snow. Gotta be careful. Right. So we're at Chick-fil-A now getting some dinner.
Din.
First meal of the day. And it's what? Almost 7 maybe?
6:30, I think.
We're about to grow up though. So we are now at Walmart. We're still out here shopping even though it's snowing. But for real, this is the best time to shop because there's nobody here. Clothes. So it's pretty cold outside. So Emily is dressed like that. Oh, you can see. We are on the way home finally. It's so dark. Thanks. We are on the way home and it's snowing like crazy. Ready? Oh man, you can't see her.
Bella, are you done?
Oh, those are the plow trucks. Getting the snow. There's Luna.